Guys, this week I'm starting a series on electronics. I noticed some of my viewers don't understand the electronic stuff I do. I'm going to explain some basic electronic stuff. Today we'll be dealing with logic. In logic, a computer mostly deal with binary values. It could also deal with other values, but the most basic one used is binary. And binary usually consists of just two numbers, 1 and 0. 1 can also mean high, and 0 low, and 0 can also mean on and off. So if I were to so in computer language, if I tell my computer, please turn on the lights, what my computer will do is to make the light low. If I tell you turn on the lights to make the light high, or set the value of the light to 1, which turn on the light. I want to show you now with my microcontroller. I will tell my microcontroller to turn on an LED high or low. So when I send high, LED will become high. When I send low, it will become low. Let's go try that out now. Hi guys, before I show you with my microcontroller, I want to add some few stuff. This is some extra information I want to add. That, for example, our high here, this high value also stands, its voltage range is from 2.5 volts to 5 volts. That means from 2.5 volts, 2.5 volts to 5 volts. So when I say set something high, what I'm actually telling you is that you put that from a voltage from 2.5 volts to 5 volts. If I say you should turn something low, that means put that 0 volts to 2.4 volts, but mostly we just use 0 volts. So high, when I say high, I mean from 2.5 volts to 5 volts. When I say low, it just means 0 volts. So I'll go to, if I show you my microcontroller, I'm going to show you a basic circuit that explains this. So this is, I'm coming. So guys, before I show you on my PC, I want to show you a simple circuit. Just ignore this other wiring. I'm working on a project, I don't want to mess it up. But first now, this is why I'm going to use to set it high or low. See this plus side here, this plus here, that is that I connected 3 volts there, and this minus here I connected 0 volts or ground. So when I plug in this guy here, it's going to carry 5 volts to my this little bulb behind here, and the bulb is going to come on. It's going to carry 3 volts, so I'm going to set the bulb high. See, can you see it? The bulb is high. The bulb is high, it's on. Now if I remove it, it will go off. No, it's not connected to anything, so the voltage can be 0 volts. But if I connect to 0 volt also, it's still off because it's still in 0 volts. 0 volts is this blue ray here, the second hole. Connect it back to the plus side, it comes back on. Put in the minus side, it's still off. See, on. But when I connect to this side, it's off, it does not come up. So when I send 1 or high, the bulb is on. When I put at 0 volts, it's off. Hope you get it. So guys, I'm going to be using my PC now. I'm using this microcontroller here. Now you see this LED here with the L, it's going to come up. This LED here with the L is going to come up. These other two LEDs will come up, but I'm not controlling them. This L I'm controlling. Now if you look at my code, I wrote here Arduino.high. That means the name of the microcontroller is Arduino. So it's going to set the pin 13 high, and that LED is connected to pin 13. This LED connected to pin 13. This 13 is connected to this LED here. I set it at high. Remember what I taught you, that high means on or 5 volts. So when I do that now, the LED is going to come on. Remember, ignore these two LEDs, they are for transmitting data, but they are going to come up. But I'm focusing on this LED here. The LED might also blink while I'm trying to run the code, but okay, let's run it and see. I'm going to click on run. See my mouse on run. Now the code is getting ready to run. Okay, let's look at our microcontroller. And I can see the LED is on. I see it. Now we can turn the LED off by changing this guy here to low, caps lock, and low. Let's run that. LED should go off. Okay, wait guys, I think there's an error in my code. So I've corrected the error now. Let's run the code again. Click on run. And see the LED has gone off. Is it? Just wait for it. It's connecting. And see the LED is off. It's no longer on again. And say that this. I say remember I told you to ignore these two LEDs. They're for transmitting data. That's why they are on. But the main LED, this one that has L here, as you can see, is off. You can set it back to high again. Let's do a little Ctrl Z on our code. Ctrl Z, 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 6 and high. Now put it. Let's run it again now. Let's click on run. Now let's watch our microcontroller. Let's wait for it. LED is on now. Can you see it? L is on. When I send high, LED is on. When I send low, it goes off. Do not worry yourself. Do not be worried about this code. You don't need to understand them. I'm just using it to explain the concept here. Maybe later in my video, I'll create a series on coding. And please guys, I'm not getting a lot of likes in my video, so please guys, please like, share my videos to your friends so they can subscribe, please. And also click the notification bell, that bell that looks like that bell there be underneath your screen. You can click on it so you'll be notified when I send a new video. Remember, please like, share and subscribe. If you like my videos, and if I have more likes, YouTube will move my video to the top so people can be seeing it, so I'll get more subscribers. You can share if you want your friend to learn a bit on electronics, you can share the video to them so they can watch it and learn. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time.